Well, there you go.
Hi, everybody! I'm
Hi
Jessica.
there. I'm Jeff.
Jeff, haha.
Yep.
So today, we're sitting at beautiful Elizabeth Park. I have no clue what we're doing with this video, but
No
hey,
clue. No clue.
whatever. I just started recording,
Yeah,
right?
that's just what she does.
That's what I do.
She's pretty random.
I am. So, eventually I want to start doing videos for like wedding clients and figuring out and talking about different steps of the wedding day, giving tips, advice, things like that. Is there anything you watching? Yeah, hi. Is there anything that you would like to know from us? See, we do weddings, how many a year now? We're at
30-ish?
30, 40 weddings a year.
Something like that.
That's a year. And we've been in business for 6 years. Oh my gosh, we're old. So,
Old.
yeah, he's really old. I love you.
I can't say what I'm thinking.
So anyways, let us know in the comments below or above or wherever.
They'll be below.
Yeah,
It's YouTube,
wherever they
so.
decide to put the comments, because everything's always changing. So let us know in the comments what you want us to talk about first. You want us to talk about wedding timeline, getting ready, first look, ceremony, reception. Let us know. Thanks. Bye.
See you later.